Guys, if you want to run lead generation campaign on your LinkedIn platform, then you definitely need a lead generation form, or you can say lead form. Now in this video, I'm going to show you a proper step-by-step tutorial that how you can create a lead generation form in your LinkedIn platform. So whenever in future you'll be creating your lead gen campaign, you'll be not stuck anywhere. So let's directly jump into my LinkedIn platform and I'll show you how to create a lead form. Guys, as you can see, right now I'm in my LinkedIn platform, right? This is the total, basically the front end, or you can say the profile, right? And if you want to go to backend or campaign manager from where we'll be creating the lead generation form, so for that you need to click on this business icon and then click on advertise, so that you can redirect to campaign manager, right? Mostly people know about this, but this is just for people who doesn't know, right? Now when you are into the list of campaign manager, you can select the campaign manager account in which you want to create the lead form, right? Now we are into the campaign manager account. By default we'll land on advertise section, where we can say campaign group campaigns and all. So right now we are not going to indulge with these. We'll be directly jump into this list, left hand side list, and here we'll be able to see assets option. Just click on this and click on lead gen forms. When we click on leads and forms, here you'll be able to see that we have already created two lead generation forms. The status is inactive right now. If you want, you can active the status of these lead generation form as well, right? And if your account, if in your account you don't have any lead gen form, then you'll be not able to see any option like this, right? You'll be able to see the big button to create a form. Now let's say we want to create a new form in this account. So what we need to do is we just need to click on this create form button, and you will be land on the interface from where you can create the lead form. And here you can see this will take the background image from our profile, as you can see, from our page, not profile, from our business page. So this is how the background image is looking like. If you want to change, you can change it as well, but we'll go with this right now. And first you can name this form. So I'll be writing MFG Marketing Fundas Global Lead Gen Form and the date, so that I can recognize it. It's totally up to you how you want to name your forms, right? Now here you can select the language, whatever the language your audience speaks, you need to select here, right? After this, offer headline. Here you need to provide the offer headline, then the offer details and all. So let's start with the offer headline, like 360 digital marketing course, and let's write by Marketing Fundas Global. Oops. So here, as you can see, we do have only 60 characters limit, and I have written the content over here, and this is how it is looking, right? 360-degree digital marketing course by Marketing Fundas Global, right? After this you can add the extra details, although this is totally optional, but you can add if you want, and the extra details will be shown here just below the offer headline. So you can write get 50% discount on our newly added courses, and here we can write get access, oops, right now, like this. I have added, this is totally a demo content, so I'm not adding a proper, like, well crafted content. This is just a demo content to show you, right? So this is how it will gonna look after adding the extra details. Also you can see that it has 160 characters limit, so you have good amount of space here. After this, obviously you need to add the privacy policy URL. So what you can do is, if you have a website, you can copy the privacy policy of your website and you can add that here. Otherwise you can create a privacy policy generator and you can copy that text and you can add the text over here, right? So obviously we need to add the privacy policy URL. So what I'm gonna do is, here you can see it is suggesting me to add my website's privacy policy page URL. So because I have previously used the same page, that's why it is suggesting me. So I'll just use this one. And if you don't know where you can get your privacy policy page, so I'll show you. Generally it lies in the bottom of your website. As you can see here, you'll be able to see terms and conditions and privacy policy page, right? So this is our website, marketingfundas.com, and what I'm gonna do is I'll just click on this page and copy this URL and paste it there. This is the same URL, right? After this is optional, we are not going to add this. Now we are done with the privacy policy and all, and the offer details, I mean the headlines and all. So basically the form structure has been created. Now we need to add more details into the form, like what we need from our customer, what we need from our audience, which kind of details we need, and how we can increase the quality of the leads which we'll be getting from this lead gen form, right? So we are into the second option, which is lead details and custom questions. If you click on this drop down menu, you'll be able to see multiple options over here, right? Like right now we are asking three details: their email, their first name, and their last name. I don't want to get their last name, I just need their email and the first name. And I can ask for extra informations from here. You can see you can ask contact details, work details, company details, education and demographic details as well. So here I'll ask their phone number, right? Also make sure that you are not asking too much details, so that the audience or the client who is landing on your leads and form don't get hesitate while sharing the details, right? When we are asking too much details, they get a bit hesitate, right? So after this, you can ask some custom questions as well. If you do have any custom question or any custom checkbox you want to create, you can add it. Because what are the benefits of adding custom questions and custom checkbox? It increases the quality of the leads which you will be getting from this leads and form. So it is recommended to add the custom questions and checkbox, right? So if you want to add custom questions, you just need to click on this custom question button. Here you can add the custom question, like why you want to do digital marketing course, question mark, right? Here you can add the multiple choice answer, or you can leave a space over there so that the user can answer by themselves. So it is totally up to you. Like you can provide them multiple choices, right, up to 15. Otherwise you can leave a space over there. So I'll go with single line input, so that the user can write by themselves, like why they want to join or why they want to do digital marketing course, right? So this is the details I'm asking, right? If you want to add custom checkbox, you can do that as well, right? Here you can add the texts, and you can go up to 5 checkboxes. So basically, like you can do here terms and conditions. Here you can write, are you agree with our terms and conditions, right? I don't want to take your time too much, right? So I've written, are you agree with the terms with our terms and conditions, right? And if you want to make it required, you can just check this box, and here you'll be able to see like this. So if the user is not agreeing with, basically uh, checking I mean not checking the box, they'll be not able to submit the lead. So this is how you can add it. If you don't want to make it required, you can uncheck this box. Now this is not required, right? So user can check this box, or they, if they don't want to check this box, they can go further as well, right? So this is how you can do it. Now after this, we do have the confirmation option. So confirmation is like after submitting, what the user will see. Right now this is what the user will see: information sent to marketing fundas demo, global demo. This is our company page which we have created in this account, right? As you can see here, right? Now, so here obviously we want to add some good message, like thank you for submitting your details will be contacting you soon. If you want, you can add any emoji as well. Like you can press the window plus button and here you can search heart and add it like this, right? So this is how you can create your custom message which will be shown to the user once they submitted their details. This is how it is going to look on mobile phone and this is how it is going to look on desktop. Even if you want, you can add the landing page URL. Let's say you want to uh, send the audience to your website, so you can add that website URL over here and they'll be able to see the visit website button. Right here you can change the call to action like learn more or any kind of other thing. So if after submitting the details, if you want them to download anything like brochure and all, you can do that as well, right? So download option we do have, and we do have try now option, we do have visit company page. Whatever the option you likes, you can do that. If they click on this, they'll be land on this URL, basically on our website, or if you want to add landing page, you can do that as well. Then we do have some hidden field. In hidden field you can add some hidden fields as well, like field name and value. And this hidden field is totally for the tracking purposes. If you want to track this lead form, like how many leads you are getting, obviously you need to track the uh, thank you page, right? So, which means whenever the thank you page appears, LinkedIn will determine that a lead have been submitted. That's why the thank you page has been appeared. So what you can do is you can provide the field name and you can enter the value and you can track this value, and you'll be able to find out, or you'll be able to get the exact result or exact tracking data, right? This is totally optional and this hidden field are not shown to the user, right? So keep this thing in mind. So as you can see, our lead form generation is done. We have created entered all the form details, then the lead details and custom questions and the confirmation option. We have done all these three. Now after this, you just need to click on this create, agree and create, and your form is saving, right? As you can see, your form is getting saved and it is now in review right now. Once it gets reviewed, you will be able to see the active button over here, right? I mean the active status over here. So this is how you can create a lead form in LinkedIn platform. I hope this video helps and I hope you like this video. If you do so, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. Also, don't forget to share this video with your needy friends who want to learn LinkedIn marketing. And if you still have any question, query, or any kind of confusion, you can comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. Now, I want to take your leave. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.